Hi, my name is Heather Gallagher. Thank you for joining us for the Virtual Hummingbird Celebration at Warner Park Nature Center in partnership with Metro Parks of Nashville-Davidson County and Friends of Warner Parks. I'm going to introduce my good friend Katie Sue Buckholtz from the Bellevue branch of the Nashville Public Library. She's going to share an amazing bird book with us.
Hey friends, it's Miss Katie Sue from the Nashville Public Library, and I'm so excited to be here at Warner Park's Nature Center for Hummingbird Day, and we're even in the Hummingbird Garden. Isn't that awesome? Well, I brought a fun book today, and this one is about all kinds of birds, and it's called Hooray for Birds. Look at all those birds. This is so great. And I know there's a hummingbird in this book too, so let's get started and read Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine? Just for one day, you're a busy bird. Yes, a bird. Hooray! I think that would be fun to be a bird. The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Can you say that with me? Ready? Here we go. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Very good. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Can you flap your wings too? Yeah, good job. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Can you stretch your neck real tall? Good job. Say, hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Oh, man, that would be fun. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Oh, my goodness. Stand very tall on just one leg. Can you do that? Just like this flamingo? Wow, that's pretty cool. Say, cluck, cluck, and lay an egg. Just like that chicken. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Whoa, look at that snake. Man. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, tweet, tweet. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. You think you could waddle like a penguin? Or run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Wow, look at that peacock. Wow. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. Oh, how sweet. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. Twit-twoo, hoo-hoo. And what kind of bird is that? An owl, that's right. Look at all those different kinds of birds we saw in the book today. Well, thank you all so much for listening to our story. I hope you're enjoying Hummingbird Day, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks, friends.